Now let us look into another case study type of question. This problem relates to probability. In a bolt factory, machines A, B and C manufacture 25%, 35%, 40% respectively. Of the total of their outputs, 5, 4 and 2% are defective. A bolt is drawn and is found to be defective. On the basis of the information given above, answer the following questions. 1. The probability that the bolt drawn is defective, given that the bolt is manufactured by B, is A 0.05, B 0.04, C 0.02 and D 0.01. Now let P of E1 be 25 by 100, P of E2 be 35 by 100, P of E3 be 40 by 100, and the conditional probability P of F by E1 is equal to 5 by 100, P of F by E2 is equal to 4 by 100 and P of F by E3 is 2 by 100. Now they are asking you the conditional probability that the bolt is now going to be manufactured by B. The probability that the bolt drawn is defective and given that the bolt is manufactured by B. So the required probability will be P of F by E2, which is equal to 4 by 100, which is nothing but 0.04. The second subdivision is the probability that if drawn bolt is defective, then it is manufactured by B is 28 by 69, 19 by 69, 17 by 69 and 14 by 69. Now, we are asked to find out P of E2 by F, that is equal to this. For this you can apply the Bayes theorem. P of E2 into P of F by E2 divided by P of E1 into P of F by E1 plus P of E2 into P of F by E2 plus P of E3 into P of F by E3. Now having known all the values, we can quickly substitute that and find out the value. So 35 by 100 into 4 by 100 divided by 25 by 100 into 5 by 100 plus 35 by 100 into 4 by 100 plus 40 by 100 into 2 by 100. When we simplify this, we get it as 140 by 125 plus 140 plus 80, which is nothing but 140 by 345, which is equal to 28 by 65. So option A is correct. Now next they are asking you to find out the third subdivision is the total probability of drawn bolt is defective is 0.0435, B 0.0534, C 0.0345 and D 0.355. Now let us quickly solve this. Required probability is P of F, which is equal to sigma P of EI 3 to I equal to 1. It is the summation of all the probabilities. P of, it is nothing but the total probability, P of F by EI, which is nothing but, we already calculated this, which is nothing but P of E1 into P of F by E1 plus P of E2 into P of F by E2 plus P of E3 into P of F by E3, which is nothing but 25 by 100 into 5 by 100 plus 35 by 100 into 4 by 100 plus 40 by 100 into 2 by 100. Now on simplifying this, we get the value to be 345 by 10,000, which is nothing but 0.0345. The fourth subdivision is if the drawn bolt is defective, then the probability that it is not manufactured by C is A 39 by 69, B 40 by 69, C 41 by 69, D 53 by 69. All right. Now, let us quickly solve this. So, the conditional probability that is now going to be manufactured by C, not by C means it is 1 minus P of probability that it is manufactured by C. So, which is nothing but 1 minus, so this is the D subdivision. So, 1 minus P of E3 by F, which is nothing but 1 minus P of E3 into P of F by E3 divided by the total probability P of E1 into P of F by E1 plus P of E2 into P of F by E2 plus P of E3 into P of F by E3. Now, having known all the values, we can quickly substitute this. So that will give you 1 minus 40 by 100 into 2 by 100, the whole thing divided by 85 by 100 into 5 by 100 plus 35 by 100 into 4 by 100 plus 40 by 100 into 2 by 100. So on simplification, we get this to be 1 minus 80 by, already we calculated the denominator to be 345, which is nothing but 345 minus 80 by 345, which is nothing but 265 by 345. On simplification, we get this to be 53 by 69. So we can see that it is option D is correct. Finally, the fifth subdivision, let E1, E2, E3 be the event that the bolt is manufactured by A, B, C respectively, and F be the event that the drawn bolt is defective. Then the value of sigma 3 to I equal to 1 P of EI by F is A0, B2, C3, D1. Now, this is nothing but P of, so the D part is sigma 3 I equals 1 P of EI by F. This is nothing but the total probability, which is nothing but 3 sigma 3 I equals 1 P of EI P of F by EI divided by P of F. So we always know that this is nothing but the total probability. So this is equal to sigma 3 I equals 1 P of EI into P of F by EI divided by sigma 3 I equals 1. So that also represents P of F also represents P of EI into P of F by EI. That is also the total probability, which is equal to 1. So option D is correct.